Malolele and talofalaba, warm Pacific greetings. Welcome back to another episode of How Fresh Are You? I'm Charlie Pome'e, your quiz master, which means I'm the judge, full stop. To my left, we have team...
The A-team.
The A-team, ladies and gentlemen, come on, let's give it up. And to my right, we have team...
Team knocked the other team out.
Other team out. Alrighty, our first game, ladies and gentlemen, rapid fire. I ask the questions, you give me the answers. First to the buzzer wins. Our first question. What Māori dance form has been scientifically proven to improve grip strength? The A-team.
Bahako.
Boys, hey, relax on the buzzer, all right? Just think about your guys' questions.
Is it the
right?
poi? Is it the poi?
Yes, the point is correct. Give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Well done. Our next question. What new rugby team is made up of players from...
Mana Pacifica.
And the answer is Moana Pacifica. Well done. The A-team.
I knew part of that.
What is the name of the Rock's character in the Fast and Furious franchise? Yes, this team here.
Dwayne Johnson.
Agent Hobbs.
This is a bit scary, ladies and gentlemen, because I do not want to get this wrong just in case I'm going to get knocked out. We're going to go with Team A with Agent Hobbs. Our next question. Who is Valerie Adams' famous Paralympian sister?
Siri. What?
Take your time, boys. You know Valerie Adams watched the show, eh?
Lisa?
Lisa.
Adams.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up. Come on. Lucky we got that one right. Hey, Valerie. What are the 3 official languages in Fiji? Team A.
Fijian, Indian, and English.
You're close. You got the Fijian, you got the English, right?
Is it Hindi?
Next question, boys. What are the 3 regions in the Pacific? What are the... Yes, team knocked the other team out.
Is it Micronesia?
Yes.
Is it Polynesia?
Polynesia?
Polynesia and...
One more.
Indonesia.
Amnesia.
Melanesia.
Melanesia. Hey.
Melanesia, Micronesia, come here.
That's why I had to help you, just in case I'm a getter.
Yeah, it's coming, Charlie.
Next question. George Veikoso is a singer best known as...
Fiji.
Hey, Fiji. For a bonus point. Do you know any of the songs?
Oh, heck yeah.
If you sing this and you get it right, I'll give you 2 points.
Come on over.
Hey, yeah. That's good enough. Hey. Lucky you're a fighter, not a singer, eh? Our next question. What team does Steven Adams currently play for? Steven. A-team?
The Suns.
All right, we're going to withdraw you guys from answering the questions. Move that buzzer from somebody. Remove this buzzer. We're going to hand it over to you guys. Give it to me. Team knocked the other team out.
Celtics.
Guys, the answer is the Grizzlies.
The Grizzlies.
Oh, I knew
The
that one.
Grizzlies.
I knew that one.
This is our last question, gentlemen. Who is the current Minister of Pacific Peoples in New Zealand? Hey, let me know if you guys want a hint.
My uncle.
Your uncle? Almost there. He's everyone's uncle.
David Tua.
The answer that we're looking for, ladies and gentlemen, is Alpito William Seal. And the winner for today's rapid fire, ladies and gentlemen, is Team Knock the Other Team Out. Now let's get into our next game. Don't tell me, tance me. And our first team to the dance floor is Knock the Other Team Out. You have 1 minute, boys. Your time starts now. Let's go.
It's a wave. It's a wave.
Wave, yes.
It's a wave. Moonwalk.
Moonwalk, yes.
Waltz.
Close. Almost.
Army dance. No. The Samoan Siva.
Hey, hey.
Yeah.
This is your favorite one.
You better this one.
The
Yeah. We all know this one.
No, what's that one? I think it's that.
the Welsh is some.
10 seconds left,
Let's
boys.
go, Junior. We got it.
10
We got
seconds
another one.
left.
We got another one.
3,
Let's go, Junior. Last one, Junior.
1. Time's up, boys. Let's give them a hand. Let's give them a hand, ladies and gentlemen. Well done, boys. Our next team is the A team. Can they beat the boys with 3 answers? Team A team, your time starts now. 1 minute, let's go, boys.
Soldier boy.
Soldier boy, that's right, that's right.
Soldier boy. The robot.
That's 2, wow. What's are you picking oranges?
Do another one.
You got it, come on.
Wheelchair dance.
Oh, that one.
You got it.
Oh, Cat Daddy.
Yeah.
Cat Daddy, that's 3 already, boys. Well done.
I used to joke. What's that one?
Put some more like hip into it. Come on, there we go. What's that? More hip. That's it. 10 seconds. 9, 8,
Let's
7,
not go, G. Let's
6,
not
from the
go.
Pacific Islands. 5,
Oh, the hula.
the hula. 3, 2, 1, and your guys' time is up. Well done, boys. The team A team. And that's it for today. Our winners for today's game is team knocked the other team out. Ladies and gentlemen, come on, give it up. Well done, boys. Well done. Well done. Here you go, boys. Thank you for coming. T-shirt here. Right. All the best, day. I want to see you guys wear that at the gym, all right? Hey, that's us, and we'll see you for more. How fresh are you?